Frustrated with how your Wix website looks on phones? Let's fix that. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor. Then click the mobile icon at the top of the screen. This switches you to mobile editor mode. Now you're looking at your site as visitors would see it on their phones from here. You can drag and drop elements to rearrange them for better mobile viewing. To hide elements that aren't necessary on mobile, simply right-click on them and select Hide Element. Don't worry, it only hides it on the mobile version, not the desktop. You can also resize text, buttons, and images to ensure they fit nicely on smaller screens. Click on the element and adjust the size settings until it looks perfect. If you're feeling overwhelmed, try the Optimize Mobile View button in the top toolbar. It automatically rearranges elements, but you can still tweak it afterward. Don't forget to customize the background to match your brand on mobile. To choose a solid color or a mobile-friendly image. And that's it. By rearranging elements, hiding unnecessary content, and optimizing the layout, you can ensure your Wix website looks fantastic on any mobile device, keeping your visitors happy and engaged.